Antiques for the future here again. Today we are working on this modern accent wall, making an air vent grate out of wood to match the same style of the wooden slats we are using. The first process is cutting down all of our material on the table saw to make our face frame, grates, and the wooden slats that go onto it. After making this rabbit cut on the table saw, I'm coming over here making the miters so that I can figure out what the inside of this grate size is going to be. After all the miters are done, it's a simple glue up, 16 gauge nailer, 2 nails on one side, 1 nail on the other. It'll hold just fine. Now it's on to the actual grate. I'm using the miter gauge on my table saw with a dado blade that's a 1/4 inch thick and a 1/4 inch deep. This glue up is quite simple. All I'm doing is butt joints with glue and then the 16 gauge nailer again. Then I'm just going to take my slats, run a little bit of glue on either side, slide them down in there, and what this does is going to create airflow to move 2 different directions, one to the left, one to the right. The majority of the sanding and getting this piece level again was done on the drum sander, and it made my life so much easier. Because this grate is going to be vertical on a wall and not horizontal laying down in a floor, I've decided to go with earth magnets. So it's a very simple installation of the actual grate. All you have to do is magnetize it to it and it holds itself just fine. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, there will be more to come for the install. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.